in the streets of Barcelona. Hey, in the streets of Madrid. Hey guys, welcome back to Lorraine Travels. It is day 2 in Madrid and it is the morning, so good morning. My friend and I are heading to the Museo Nacional del Prado right now, which is this one right here. So we decided not to do too many building visitations in Madrid as we have done in the previous cities that we visited. If you've not seen those videos, please make sure that you go back to check them out after you're done with this one. So we decided to just enjoy the city life, check what's going on and just relax through it and so on. A quick reminder, if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, please let's commit to each other. Hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Yeah, so this museum is actually considered one of the greatest art museums in the world and one of the most visited as well, so we couldn't miss it. But unfortunately, we are not allowed to use phones and cameras inside, so I will not be able to show you the inside. But yeah, it is a great museum. It's got lots of paintings, like thousands of paintings, vivid and almost vivid sculptures, drawings and prints, so you don't really want to miss it. And these have specific themes like birth, death, love, religion, power, art, and so on. Yeah, you should see it. You should see it definitely when you are in Madrid. And there are times when you have the opportunity to go inside for free, but you have to reserve it in the mornings. Otherwise, with other times, you have to pay for it. So we're gonna go inside and then we head towards the other places that we have to see for the day. See you. Hey guys, so close to where we had our lunch is this museum, Reina Sofia. We did not enter the building, but we've heard positive reviews about it, and I just wanted to show you a little bit of the building and to recommend it as well. In case you're in Madrid, you can visit it. I think we have a nice collection. Yeah, so from here we are heading to the Royal Palace of Madrid. I think you're gonna love it there, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so we are here at the Royal Palace of Madrid, and it is the official residence of the Spanish royal family. Lots of the Spanish royal families have lived here, but as at the moment it is inhabited. I also read that it is the largest royal palace in Europe by the floor area, so I feel honored to be here. As you can see, it is very huge and beautiful. The entry closed, so we're gonna go around the building and see how it's like. Yeah, enjoy. guys, I hope that you are liking the view of the Royal Palace as well. Yeah, I love it. Like, it's a shame that it's closed, that we cannot go inside, but yeah, I think already I am happy to be here. By the way, this building facing it is the Almudena Cathedral, which is the seat of the Archdiocese of the Roman Catholic Church in Madrid. So yeah, I think it's beautiful as well and worth mentioning. Okay, so from here we are going home to rest a little bit, and then we come out to watch the sunset, and we have specific places to look at the sunset. So yeah, do stay tuned, and if you are a lover of sunset, I think that you're gonna love this one too. So see ya.
Surrounded by a million people, I used to feel alone, but I wanna go home. Oh, I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you. From the line to you, my baby.
Beautiful song indeed in the background. I think one of the things that we've noticed about Madrid is the level of art. I think there are so many artists on the streets that are singing or playing some instruments, and I think it's really interesting and beautiful. Yeah, by the way guys, we are at the Temple of Debod, and it is one of the most interesting places to look at the sunset in Madrid. So I think we might have gotten here a bit too late to see the full sunset, and I think we're gonna be here again tomorrow because we love sunsets. Yeah, but already, as you can see, it is beautiful. And what I appreciate about the Temple of Debod, which is an ancient Egyptian architecture, is the alignment and the lighting that come with it. So yeah, let's see. I think there's some music going on here too. Let's just enjoy the scenery. Hey, I hope that you are liking it here as I am. I am absolutely loving it. I think the scenery is just breathtaking, and yeah, you should definitely come here if you are in Madrid. Yeah, so from here we are going to get something to eat, and then we go home because it's been a long day for us. I'm gonna show you what we eat later on, but yeah, thank you so much for staying with me until here. Once again, it is Lauren Travels. I hope that you join me as we continue to discover Madrid. Tomorrow is another day, so if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please make sure that you do so that you receive notifications on new uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and